Ow! I'll fight you. Oh!
Gabriel, tell Daddy, say, I'll fight you.
Say, fight you. Oh!
Say, I'll fight you.
Oh!
Gabriel, say, I'll fight you.
Daddy.
What are you going to do to Daddy?
Bucket.
Is that Daddy's button?
Ooey.
Ow!
Hey, what are you going to do to Daddy?
Fight you.
Bucket.
Say, I'll fight you. Gabriel, say, I'll fight you. Look at Mommy. Say, I'll fight you.
Fight you.
Oh.
Tell him, say, hiya.
Aya! Aya!
Let him stand on you. Stand up on Daddy. Jump.
Oh, no!
You're mean.
Daddy.
What'd he do?
Me.
Is he mean?
Oh!
Gabriel. What does the dog say? What does the cow say? What does the airplane say?
Bye-bye.
What do you say bye-bye to?
Timmy.
Anyone else?
Moon.
No, what do you do when you go potty in the toilet? Do you say bye-bye?
Oh!
Gabriel, tell Daddy he had boogers.
Boogers.
Tell Daddy you like to eat a burger.
You want a burger?
No. Fries.
Fries?
Daddy.
And a burger?
Daddy likes fries?
Daddy.
Say burger.
Daddy.
What does Daddy like?
Grass.
Grass?
And burgers?
Burgers.
Burgers.
No!
Hey, can you say, Gabriel, say, tasty.
Baby. This. Nasty.
Mountain Dew? What's tasty?
Pepsi.
Pepsi? And what else?
Drink.
A drink is? What is tasty? Say popsicle.
Popcorn.
Say,
That's.
what does the kitty say?
Meow. Meow.
What does the turkey say?
Gobble.
What does the frog say?
Ribbit.
What does
What is
Daddy say?
Yeah.
What does Mommy say?
But.
Is that what she says? What does Gabriel say?
Table.
What's your name?
Table.
Good job. What's Mommy's name?
Jessica.
What's Daddy's name?
Michael.
What's your name?
Table.
Good job. What's brother's name? Eli.
Oh yeah. Kiss it.
Oh yeah, you give him kisses. Hey, where do we go on Sunday?
Church.
What do we learn at church?
Jesus.
Good job.